This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Raise the bonnet slightly, then move the safety catch lever to the side. Fully lift the bonnet, unclip the support prop and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge bracket. Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation, such as the clock, or to maintain control unit memories, which would be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source, known as a memory saver, to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Remove the front cover. Lift the quick release lever and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift away the rear section of the battery cover. Slacken the retaining bolt. Then, with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp upwards from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. To improve access, lift the ECU from place and move it to one side. Depress the clip, tilt the battery to one side and lift it from place. Take care as the battery is heavy. Lower the battery into place with the negative terminal at the rear, ensuring the retaining clip engages. Slide the ECU back down into its bracket. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down over the battery negative terminal and tighten the retaining bolt securely. Smear a little petroleum jelly on the terminal to prevent corrosion. Refit the rear section of the battery cover. Locate the positive lead clamp over the battery positive terminal. Then press the quick release lever down firmly. Smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery terminal. Refit the front section of the battery cover. Disconnect the memory saver. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.